Welcome, I'm Mendel, and this is Novel Gems, your one-stop destination for fascinating insights into literature, psychology, and everything in between. Today, in this first edition of our Novel Takes Great Minds series, we will be exploring the life and work of one of the most influential figures in the field of psychology, Carl Jung. Carl Gustav Jung, a Swiss psychiatrist and psychologist, made significant contributions to the field of psychology through his extensive research and groundbreaking theories. Born to a Swiss Protestant family in Kesswil, Switzerland, on July 26, 1875, Jung's early years were marked by a deep fascination with the human mind and its inner workings. Young Carl displayed a keen interest in both spirituality and science, which would later shape his innovative approach to psychology. A key turning point in Jung's life came when he attended a traineeship in Paris with Pierre Janet in 1902 and 1903. During this time, Jung had the opportunity to study and work alongside some of the leading psychiatric researchers of his time, further fueling his passion for understanding the complexities of the human psyche. After returning to Zurich, Jung was appointed as a senior physician at Burghölzli, a psychiatric hospital. During his time there, Jung conducted extensive research on mental illnesses and developed his own approach to psychotherapy. Jung's approach, known as analytical psychology, placed a strong emphasis on the exploration of the unconscious mind and its influence on an individual's behavior and thought patterns. One of the key contributions Jung made to the field of psychology was his concept of the collective unconscious. The collective unconscious refers to the inherited, shared reservoir of knowledge and experiences that exists in the unconscious mind of all individuals. Jung believed that beneath an individual's personal unconscious lies a deeper level of the psyche that is shared by all humans, containing archetypes or universal symbols that are fundamental to human psychological development. Jung proposed that these archetypes, such as the mother, the hero, and the wise old man, serve as innate templates for understanding and interpreting the world and ourselves. Jung's concept of the collective unconscious revolutionized the field of psychology, as it challenged the prevailing idea that our behaviors and thoughts were solely influenced by our personal experiences and social conditioning. Jung's work not only explored the individual psyche, but also delved into the realm of spirituality and myth. Jung believed that spiritual experiences were essential aspects of human existence, and he sought to integrate the understanding of spirituality into his psychological framework. Jung's emphasis on integrating spirituality into his psychological framework raises questions and invites criticism. While it is true that he believed spiritual experiences were essential aspects of human existence, some critics argue that Jung exoticized Eastern and Native American spirituality in the process. Additionally, Jung's views regarding the interface between Freudian theory and Hinduism have been called into question due to his limited understanding of Indian psychoanalytic developments, independent of Freud. Critics argue that Jung's views on spirituality and his interpretation of Eastern and Native American spirituality may have been oversimplified or romanticized, leading to a misrepresentation of these traditions. Furthermore, Jung's concept of the collective unconscious and archetypes has also faced controversy. Some critics argue that the concept of the collective unconscious is too speculative and lacks empirical evidence. Despite the criticisms, it is undeniable that Carl Jung's work has had a significant impact on the field of psychology. Jung's contributions to the field of psychology extended beyond his exploration of the collective unconscious and archetypes. He also made significant contributions to dream analysis, personality types, and the understanding of introversion and extroversion. Jung found that people that lean more towards introversion tend to focus more on their inner thoughts and feelings, while those who lean towards extroversion are more outwardly focused and draw energy from interacting with others. Furthermore, Jung's concept of psychological complexes, which are patterns of emotions, memories, and perceptions that influence our behavior and attitudes, revolutionized the understanding of the human psyche. Jung's work on psychological complexes and personality types laid the foundation for various psychological assessments, including the widely used Myers-Briggs type indicator. Furthermore, Jung's emphasis on the importance of countertransference in therapy helped therapists recognize and understand their own unconscious biases and reactions in relation to their clients. Jung's work on dream analysis was groundbreaking, as he believed that dreams held important insights into the unconscious mind and its symbols. Symbols in dreams, such as dream catchers and mandalas, hold deep meaning and significance. They serve as windows into our collective unconscious, a concept developed by Carl Jung to describe the shared psychic structures that shape human psychology. He proposed that these archetypal symbols are inherent within all minds and play a crucial role in personal development. By exploring these symbolic representations found in dreams, we can gain insight into our own psyche, while also connecting to something larger than ourselves. His critics would also argue that Jung's interest in telepathy and his exploration of parapsychology further blurred the lines between his psychological theories and esoteric beliefs. Despite the criticisms and controversies surrounding his work, Carl Jung's contributions to the field of psychology cannot be ignored. Ideas such as reaction time measurements for deception, the concept of psychological complexes, personality typology through introversion and extroversion, counter-transference, formal training analysis, and the idea of midlife crisis as a developmental task have all had a lasting impact on clinical and experimental psychology. While Jung is often hailed as a trailblazer in the field of psychology, it is important to note that Jung's ideas have faced significant criticism for their appropriation of Eastern spirituality without proper context or understanding. While emphasizing spirituality can be beneficial for psychological exploration, it must be approached with sensitivity towards diverse cultures and perspectives. Consequently, it is important as professionals to examine his ideas with a critical eye. While some may argue that he made significant contributions to our understanding of the human mind, others maintain that his integration of spiritualism and mystical beliefs with psychoanalysis detracted from the scientific rigor of his work. It is necessary to approach Jung's theories with caution, recognizing both their potential insights and limitations in order to further advance our understanding of psychology. Nevertheless, Jung's theories continue to shape the field of psychology and offer unique perspectives on the human mind and behavior. Carl Jung, a groundbreaking figure in the field of psychology, has made significant contributions that have had a profound impact on our understanding of the human mind. And this concludes our novel take on the life and work of great mind, Carl Jung. And if you like what we're doing here, be sure to give us a like, share, and subscribe. Comment below to let us know your thoughts and stay connected for more insightful content. And until next time, explore, think, and be mindful.